welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to get this feisty, fierce red smoky eye. I really wanted to create something out of the box and something that I never do, and this is what I came up with. So in case if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then please continue watching. But like always, don't forget to hit the like button in case if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already, and don't forget to click the bell notification to be notified every time I post a video. So let me just stop rambling and continue with the video.
First, I'm gonna start by prepping my eyelids using this concealer by Maybelline. You guys know I always like doing this step no matter what. Then using my Colourpop Yes Please palette and using that palest shade, I'm gonna set my concealer in place ever so slightly. Then using this palette by Makeup Revolution and taking that peach shade, I'm gonna start defining my crease. So I'm gonna be applying this slightly above my crease area. But then using this burnt orange shade, I'm gonna start intensifying my crease. So with smoky eyes, you always want to start with the palest shade first and then start intensifying your eyeshadow even more. That way you really get that intensity yet that blended out look. Then I'm gonna take this brownish orangey kind of shade from the same Yes Please palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade to intensify my crease even more. And as you guys can tell, I'm applying this eyeshadow slightly below the previous shade to really get that smokiness, you know. And then I'm going to be using this matte red eyeshadow from the same Yes Please palette. I'm going to be using this shade to intensify my crease and add like a hint of red in my crease, because I'm prepping my eyelids to put the main eyeshadow, which is this red matte eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm packing that shade on my lid. So I'm taking my time packing on this eyeshadow, and I'm keeping it only to the areas that has no eyeshadow whatsoever. And once I'm happy with the intensity of the red shade, taking a very detailed blending brush, I'm gonna blend out this red eyeshadow so that there's no harsh edges. So take your time while doing this step, because blending is the key to a good smoky eye. Then using this black liner pencil by Pro Art, I'm gonna apply it very close to my lash lid and start smoking it out. Then using that matte dark brown shade from the Yes Please palette, I'm gonna smoke out my black liner even more so it looks more seamless. As you guys can tell that there is absolutely no harsh edges when it comes to the liner or the eyeshadow, so keep that in mind. Then moving on, I'm going to be using a mixture of these two concealer as a foundation, and yes, I'm not using any foundation for this makeup look. So yeah, I'm going to be applying it on my face, and I'm going to be blending out using my Miniso foundation brush. And if you see me laughing, it's because me and my boyfriend were watching some really funny TikTok videos. Moving on to my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer, and I'm applying it to the usual places. And by the way, I'm working in sections with this concealer because it sets really fast, and I went a little overboard on my chin area, so I'm blending it out using my Miniso foundation brush. And oh my gosh, you guys, I can't stop laughing. Some of the TikTok videos are really funny. By the way, I'm not on TikTok, but let me know in the comments down below if you guys are on TikTok, because I would love to know. And I'm loving my base, by the way, because it doesn't look like I've got no foundation on whatsoever. Then when it comes to set my under eyes, I'm using my favorite Australis banana powder. And to set my face, I'm going to be using my Sephora 8-hour mattifying pressed powder in the shade Light. Yeah. Then using this bronzer by Sugar Cosmetics, I'm gonna bronze / contour my face, because you guys already know I'm not a huge fan of contouring. So yeah, I went a little overboard with the bronzer, so I'm trying to blend, you know. See, I'm not good at multitasking. I should really stop watching the TikTok videos. It's distracting me a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the same bronzer by Sugar to contour my nose, and using this blush palette by Rimmel and taking the top shade, I'm gonna be blushing up them cheeks ever so slightly. Using the same burnt orange shade, I'm gonna be smoking out my lash line now. I mean, my lower lash line. Once I'm happy with the intensity of that burnt orange shade, I'm gonna be applying the matte red shade on my lower lash line to add the hint of red on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm gonna be using the same Pro Art eyeliner that I used on my upper eyelid on my waterline and smoking it out using the same matte dark brown eyeshadow from the Yes Please palette. And I'm loving the tones of this eye look, you guys. I think red eyeshadow is my new favorite color. Moving on to my lashes, I'm gonna be using this mascara by Rimmel and coating my eyelashes with it. Not a lot because I'm gonna be using falsies anyway. Using this lashes in this style White Magic, I believe it's from Pretty Unicorn. I'm gonna be applying it, and then I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution shimmer brick to highlight my face and also highlight the inner corner as well as my brow bone. You guys know the drill. Then I'm gonna be using my lip balm by Neutrogena and applying it very lightly on my lips because there's some concealer on my lips and I want to get it off. Then using a mixture of these two glosses, I'm applying it on the lips. I wanted to keep it very neutral when it comes to my lips, so I'm using a gloss. Last step is to set your face in place, and I'm using my Flower Beauty makeup setter. And there you go, guys. That's the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like this video, and in case if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.